Hello, all you DIY folks out there. I was just working on a project for my wife today and had to use some liquid nails. And I figured I'd just make a real quick video for you. How you can save your wife's old wine corks. Here's one right here. And what I did was, just put it underneath here. I opened her up, made a little hole. All right, and I'll show you what I'm gonna be using it for here. It's hard, my face is in there all the time. Doing this one-handed. Get yourself a nail about this big, and you'll understand why. Dropped it. We're gonna take the cork, put the nail right on through, just like that. Since I don't have my other hand, push it all the way through. Boom. Now you got it looking just like this. Here, let me see. There we go. That's better. Now you can see it right on open. Then what I was done with my liquid nails, so I can save it for tomorrow. So just finishing up, you take the nail, put it right in the hole. As you can see, just like that. What I'm going to do, it's only got one hand, squish it in there, just like that. And that will save it for tomorrow so it doesn't all harden up inside here. And that's my tips and tricks for today. Y'all have a good night and have a blessed night. And we'll see you on the next video. Take care.